so your RAM's CarPlay keeps dropping, even after you've tried every software reset and phone update. The problem isn't your Uconnect software, it's a hardware failure inside the physical USB media hub in your center console. Inside that hub is a small circuit board. From normal heat and vibration in the truck, the solder joints on that board develop tiny, invisible cracks. When that connection gets loose, it sends a disconnect signal to your head unit and your CarPlay. Session dies. This is why jiggling the USB port often makes the screen flicker. You're physically moving that broken connection. This affects both wired and wireless modes, because even wireless CarPlay needs that physical hub to complete its first secure handshake. First, confirm it's the hub. Always start by testing with a different, high-quality USB cable and another phone. To rule out the easy fixes. If it still drops, the only permanent solution is to replace the hub. You'll need the new Mopar part, number 682722554AE. This part supersedes the older versions, like 68397C98AE, that were known for this exact failure. For the replacement, start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. The center console is held by four 10mm nuts at the corners, sometimes hidden under small trim covers. You don't need to pull the whole console out. Just unbolt it and tilt it back to access the hub. The hub itself is then held in with 7 7mm screws. This is a known weak point on 2019 to 2021 Ram 1500 DT trucks, but we're seeing it on newer models with Uconnect 5 as well. If you ignore it, the connection will become more and more unstable until it stops working entirely.